All right, deep divers. Today we're talking Legionella inspections.
Ooh.
And, you might be thinking, Legionella, that sounds a little niche, right?
Right.
But trust me on this one. Whether you're the one scheduling these inspections or the one kind of bracing yourself for one, what we're about to uncover impacts you more than you think.
Yeah, it's true. I mean, Legionella bacteria lurking in water systems.
Right.
Not exactly, light dinner conversation, but it's something that anyone who deals with water from apartment buildings to hospitals needs to be aware of.
Absolutely. And you know that the way these inspections are done is changing so fast, thanks to some really cool technology.
Yeah.
We're diving deep into a software called PocketSurvey today.
Okay.
And we're not just going to watch a demo or anything. We're going to actually figure out how this digital shift impacts you.
And it's interesting how even a field as seemingly traditional as, building inspections is being totally revolutionized by software.
Yeah.
The implications, especially when we're talking about public health, are pretty huge.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. So first things first, the video really hammers home that PocketSurvey is mobile first,
Yeah.
But it also works seamlessly across all devices. Phones, tablets, desktops, you name it, on the surface. Sure, that's convenient, but what's the bigger picture here for you?
Well, I think it's about efficiency, both for the inspector and ultimately for you as the client.
Okay.
So imagine an inspector in the field inputting data on their phone as they go, and then when they go back to the office, they can seamlessly pick up where they left off on the computer.
Nice.
No more messy paperwork, no more double entry, and for you, that means faster results, potentially even getting your report immediately after the inspection is done.
Wow. Okay. Game changer. No more waiting weeks for that report to land on your desk.
Right.
Speaking of reports, that's where PocketSurvey really shines. I mean,
Yeah.
we're talking hyperlink tables of contents, executive summaries.
It's not just about looking slick, though, I think that level of organization and detail really signals a shift in how these inspections are being approached.
Yeah.
It's about transparency and giving you the information that you need to take action.
Absolutely. And it's like they've got photos embedded right in the report showing the specific areas assessed and these breakdowns of compliance status and remedial works, they call them. It's all laid out so clearly.
Yeah. And having all of that information easily accessible means that you're not just receiving a report, you're getting like a roadmap to understanding and improving the safety of your water system.
I like that, a roadmap.
It's empowering.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, next up, customization.
Okay.
This software lets you tailor practically everything. Menus, report sections, even the wording used. It's like they took the idea of making it your own to a whole new level.
It's really a prime example of software as a service done right.
Uh-huh.
It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It adapts to your specific needs. It's like getting a bespoke suit tailored just for you.
Oh, I love that analogy. Okay. So the deeper you dig into this video, the more impressive it gets. They've got a built-in job calendar, location maps, progress tracking with color coding. It's almost too much cool stuff packed into one app.
Yeah, it's really interesting. What's fascinating here is that they're thinking beyond just the technical aspects of the inspection itself.
Right.
They're considering the entire process. So how to schedule jobs efficiently, how to communicate effectively with clients. It's really bridging that gap between the technical work and the client experience.
And speaking of client experience, remember that costly list of remedial works we mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
Let's unpack that because this is where things get really interesting.
Absolutely. So if the inspection uncovers any issues that need addressing, the software goes beyond just flagging them. It actually calculates the estimated cost of those repairs.
Wow.
And it gets even more granular than that.
Okay.
So imagine this. You've got a breakdown of each issue, its potential risk level, the estimated cost to fix it, and you can even schedule the work and track its progress right there within the app.
It's like project management for your water system.
Exactly.
I love it. And speaking of data, did you catch that part about being able to export all this information into spreadsheets?
Now you're speaking my language.
I thought you might like that one.
Think about the possibilities there. Trend analysis, comparing results over time. It's like having a financial report for your water system,
Right.
Giving you this deep understanding of its performance and, helps you make really smart data-driven decisions.
So to sum it up, this whole digital shift isn't just about making things easier for the inspector.
Right.
It's about giving you, the client, more control, more transparency, and ultimately more peace of mind.
Absolutely. It's about empowering you to take ownership of your water system safety. And it does make you wonder what other fields are ripe for this kind of digital transformation.
That's a great question. Think about restaurant health inspections or, building code enforcement. The possibilities are pretty much endless.
Yeah, imagine those processes becoming more streamlined, more transparent, and ultimately more efficient thanks to technology like this.
Right, it's a fascinating thing to consider. So, deep divers, next time you encounter a Legionella assessment, or any kind of inspection for that matter,
Don't just see it as a hurdle to be curious.
exactly, ask questions, find out what technology they're using, and how it can empower you to make informed decisions. Because knowledge is power, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. And as always, stay curious. There's a whole world of fascinating stuff out there just waiting to be explored.
Couldn't agree more. Well, folks, that wraps up our deep dive into the digital world of Legionella inspections.
It's amazing to see how technology is changing the game in even the most unexpected places.
Until next time, deep divers keep exploring, keep learning, and keep diving deep into the world around you. Okay, so we've talked about how PocketSurvey really streamlines the inspection process itself.
Right.
But now I want to talk about what happens after the inspector, packs up their gear and heads out.
Uh-huh.
Remember that whole costly list of remedial works thing they mentioned?
Oh, yeah. That's where things get really interesting for you, the client.
Exactly. And it's not just like a vague list of,
Yeah.
here's some stuff to fix. It's data-driven. It's detailed. And it's really designed to help you take action.
Absolutely.
Like the software doesn't just tell you what needs attention, it actually estimates the cost of those repairs, which is amazing. And then it gets even more granular.
Yeah, you can really drill down. Like, imagine this. You've got a breakdown of each issue, the potential risk level, the estimated cost to fix it.
Wow.
You can schedule the work right there in the app and track its progress.
So it's like having project management for your whole water system.
Exactly.
I love it. And speaking of data, I don't know if you caught this part, but you can export all this information into spreadsheets.
Oh, now you're talking.
I know, right up your alley.
Think about the potential there, trend analysis comparing results over time.
Yeah.
It's like having a financial report for your water system, giving you this deep understanding of, its performance, and it helps you make really smart, data-driven decisions.
So to sum it up, this whole digital shift isn't just about, making the inspector's job easier.
Right.
It's about giving you, the client, more control, more transparency, and ultimately, I think, more peace of mind.
Absolutely. It's about empowering you to really take ownership of your water system safety. And it makes you wonder what other fields could benefit from this kind of digital transformation.
That's a great question. Think about restaurant inspections,
Yeah.
or building code enforcement.
Yeah.
Like the possibilities are endless.
Imagine those processes becoming more streamlined, more transparent, and just more efficient thanks to technology like this.
Right? It's pretty fascinating to think about. So deep divers, next time you encounter a Legionella assessment, or really any kind of inspection for that matter,
Yeah.
don't just see it as a box to check,
You
too
just
curious.
ask questions.
Exactly. Find out what technology they're using and how it can help you make informed decisions, because knowledge is power, right?
Absolutely. And as always, stay curious.
Yes.
There's a whole world of fascinating stuff out there just waiting to be explored.
Couldn't agree more. Well, folks, that wraps up our deep dive into the digital world of Legionella inspections.
It's amazing to see how technology is really changing the game in even the most unexpected places.
Until next time, deep divers keep exploring, keep learning, and keep diving deep into the world around you. It really is pretty amazing stuff.
Yeah.
It just goes to show how important these inspections are and how technology can really help.
Totally. I mean, it's not just about the technology itself, it's about using it to keep people safe.
Couldn't have said it better myself. And that's what we're all about here at the Deep Dive.
Absolutely.
Taking a closer look at the things that matter and, empowering you, our listeners, to make informed decisions.
Yeah, knowledge is power, after all.
It really is. Well, folks, that wraps up our deep dives into the digital transformation of Legionella inspections. We hope you found it insightful and maybe even a little bit inspiring.
It just goes to show that even in the most unexpected places, technology is changing the game for the better.
Until next time, deep divers keep exploring, keep learning, and keep diving deep into the world around you.